That's the other one I need. That's chewed up. The gears I need have arrived from FridayParts. I had a lot of trouble finding these gears. They are quite hard to get hold of now. Thankfully, FridayParts were able to source them. They look to be the right ones. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's sounding a lot better than it was before. That was making a horrible grinding noise before I changed those gears, so I think that solved the problem. Alright, that's everything back together, so the moment of truth. We'll start her up and see if that noise is gone. Oh, that's way better. No more noises. All the gears work perfectly, everything meshes together, no more horrible noises in the gearbox, so problem solved. So yeah, it was just these couple of gears and the bearings that was causing all the problems. And these gears were actually quite hard to find. I couldn't get them in New Zealand. Thankfully FridayParts sourced them and sent them to me free of charge, so thanks a lot FridayParts. Really appreciate it. Got the old girl going again.